Good evening, everyone. Can you hear my voice properly? Good evening, Khalid sir. Sandeep, Vinay Patil, Redmi Note 9. Good evening. Good evening. Hinali Dalal sir. Good evening. Khalid sir, everybody is special in something. Somewhere I am student, somewhere you are student, but we are all same sir. Ravi Avare, Namaskara. Good evening, Ravi sir. Soumya Mukherjee, Uma Shankar, Tapan Kumar sir, Amarja. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, how is your training going on? Good. So, already 7 o'clock. Let us start. So, let us start with the support and resistance. So, most of you already know support and resistance, but still again. So, let us know the right way of drawing support and resistance. Support. What is the meaning of support? Support is a place where the buyers got attacked and took the prices very huge from that location. So, thank you, Srinivas sir. Thank you. So, whenever price was falling, Rajib sir, yes. Just a minute. Whenever the price is falling, somewhere around buyers feel that this is the perfect value for this stock. Okay, Ram Kumar sir, they feel that this is the perfect value. So sometimes what we do is whenever the price moving upside, we feel the price is very high, right? The same way, people will be waiting for the comfortable price. So this is where these buyers are finding the price is comfortable. Soumya madam, that is what I am teaching. Okay. You can learn here the same thing. This is where the buyers jumped and tried to buy, and now these buyers need more quantity, and that's the reason they paid higher prices and took the prices upside. So this swing is called support. This swing is called support. And then what is resistance? So resistance means it is a place where sellers attacked and started to sell their huge quantity. They started to sell their huge quantity. Selling is different, booking profits is different. Pradeep Kumar, right. So this is selling zone. Selling is different and booking profits is different. Whenever booking profits, price will just retrace. Whenever selling takes place, price will fall. Keep it in mind. Okay. This U-turn is called resistance. Resistance is created by the sellers. Support is created by buyers. So why this we are going to use in the future supports and resistance? Because there will be some pending orders. There will be some pending orders. Some jo either the 1 lakh orders and some orders got fulfilled here. The remaining orders also get fulfilled when price will come to this location. That's the reason again and again we are using support and resistances. The same way when the price moves here, the remaining orders will get executed. Hence the price will started to fall. So that's the reason we are considering this as a resistance. So resistance and support, to form resistance and support, price should move considerably huge. Price should move considerably huge. Very low, nice. Iqbal sir, it is not, there is no minimum. It is no, there is no minimum, but at the third touch, we will not be missing any trade. That is a very important trade for us, third touch. Suresh sir, from this side, voice is clear. Everyone, please answer. Voice is clear, right? Abhay Gupta ji, how are you? Yes, voice is clear. Everybody saying voice is clear. Now, simply this is called support, this is called resistance. Now, there should not be any influence of the previous support or previous resistance. Then we don't call this as a resistance and this support. Okay. There should not be influence of any of the levels earlier. There should not be influence of any earlier levels. Okay. Keep it in mind. See, price was falling earlier, and this is where buyers attacked and took the prices very high. Compared to this fall, this is very high, right? So we consider this as a support. Again, see this fall. When the price returns from this area, this movement is huge compared to this. So hence again, this is the support. Okay. Shall we look for the previous lows and highs for the present? No, Manju sir. Manju sir, it should be fresh. Then only we call it as a support and resistance. We also call by name support and resistance, but that should be useful, right? If already there is a resistance, samjho, there is already resistance. Again, if you consider this as a resistance, there is no use. Already orders got consumed here. Again, what do? You go to take a trade again at this location. So always consider there should be a fresh selling like this. Then you can consider this as a resistance. There should not be a previous levels influence. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Third touch criteria is applicable to every supports, whether it can be trend line, it can be horizontal line. Ha, sir. Ha. Kamal, sir. Right. Right. Same way, why it is not strong resistance? Why it is not strong resistance? Considerably, there is no big move compared to previous move. So some nuggets I am telling, if you can understand, this will be very useful. Considerably, there is no big move. Hence, this is not strong. That's the reason it has broken easily. Okay. Now, this is the resistance. And this is the support. And see here, after coming to the support, again price took the upside. See this got reacted. You can see this fall. So we call this as a real support and real resistance. All the horizontal supports and resistance are real. Real matlab it is where the exact selling and buying has come. The trend line is, what is the trend line? Trend line is a geometrical support and resistance. This is real support and resistance. Is it clear till now? But how now you consider the historical? Which one, sir? Kamal sir, you are saying this. No, this is not support. This is not support. Okay, this is not support. This is the fresh support. There is no historical level here. This is consolidation. This is not a support. Haidar sir, Kamal Haidar sir, I have considered this as a low, and then we are taking trade here, but not this. This is a consolidation. This is a consolidation. सौम्या जी क्या है क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन है तो डायरेक्ट पूछो, डोंट टेक टाइम. इट इज ए कंसोलिडेशन सर. मंजू सर, कैन यू टाइप इट मैडम? Ashok sir, here if you find any buying pattern, if you find any buying pattern like engulfing, like hammer, like this one piercing, you can take trade based on these patterns. Khalid sir, don't confuse. कंसोलिडेशन को सपोर्ट से जोड़ना नहीं है. डोंट add this to this. I already told this should be fresh. This should be fresh, and this is the fresh. Yes, Iqbal sir. Yes. Kamal sir, you consider this that as a ray. Okay. Khalid, yes, yes. You are right, sir. Support is where price will come and go. Departure is very fast, but consolidation, price will be staying there itself. It will be spending lot of time. Let me, sir. It will be spending lot of time. Those are we call that R1, R2, R3 as a mathematical resistances or statistical resistances. Somnath Gupta sir. Yes, Prasad Reddy garu avunandi. Okay. So with this, let us move to double bottom and double tops. First double bottom. So double from one level it dropped, right? It was resistance, but during buying, all had not consumed. Instead of that, I had created another resistance. It means still more pending orders are there. So Magic, you said the same. In the level 1, it has dropped as a resistance, but during the buying, all had not consumed. Instead of that, it has created another resistance. No, I did not understand your question properly. Soumyaji, the question is not clear. Soumyaji, on level.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, good evening. Actually, I am male, not female. It's a Bengali name.
Okay, okay.
Anyway, sir, my question is uh, from the top, it is coming down and down and down.
Okay.
But when it going back, that means when buying is started, uh, it goes few steps up and they are taken a resistance again. Uh, from there, it's fall and again gone up. Is there any reason for that?
Yes, I will answer this. I will answer this. So you are asking, the price has fell, again it is going up, and again it is falling, again it is going up, again it is falling. So this is where the fresh selling happened. Due to that fresh selling, it means a huge orders, huge selling orders. Because of that pressure, price has came down. Again, some novice traders entered into the trade. So thinking that the price is getting in discount. So that novice traders are able to lift the prices from here to here, but they are not able to recover the total fall. They have a little bit of strength, that's all. So only FIS and DIS are a big traders have the strength to recover, but novice traders or retail traders, they have lesser strength. Hence, this pullback will happen. Whenever this pullback will happen, the pro traders started to sell. Because these people are not able to lift the prices still more higher. When there is no ability to take the prices higher, definitely the price will started to go down. The same will be get repeated. So lot of novice traders or retail traders entered here. They failed to hold the trades. Again, their stop losses triggered, came down. They made huge losses. Again, another group of buyers lift the prices little bit higher. Again, these people got failed. Again, price came down. This is why the price will be going up and down, up and down, up and down. Sir, did you get the answer for your question? Okay, let us move to double bottom. Double bottom means it is a 2 times price made almost same level fall. Price 2 times made lows. This one and this one. Almost same level. It cannot be exact always. It cannot be exact, but sometimes a little bit higher or sometimes a little bit down. A little bit. So we call this any of this one or this one or this one. We call this as a double bottom, or we also call this as a W pattern. W pattern. So this is a fall, this is a recovery. Again, there is a fall, but this fall has stopped almost near to the earlier support. Pradeep sir, yes, you can also call this as a W. Yes. So when we call W, when it crosses this resistance, when it crosses this resistance. So this is, see, it was the fresh bottom, and whenever the price comes to this area, you are going to take the trade. Okay, समझो आप ये इसमें ले लिए trade. So you will be having a target till here, right? Till the recent swing high, and price is moving and immediately break the high of this swing high. Then you can hold this trade. You can hold this trade for the target of the size of the sale upwards. Samjho you did not took the trade here. You can take a fresh buy when it breaks the high of this W wala swing. You can take a fresh trade here. So two types of trades can be taken. So this, by thinking a previous was the support and price has came again to the same level, and you got some entry here, you got entry and you are trying to book profits here, but suddenly the price will be breaking the recent high. Hence you are holding the trade and booking profits on the height of this. So double bottom is a reversal pattern. Double bottom is a reversal pattern. So it will be reversing the downtrend into uptrend. It will occur when there is a downtrend. When there is a downtrend, then only W pattern is going to form. It cannot form when it is moving a upside direction. Okay, we call this as a W pattern and double bottom pattern. It has created double bottom. It means it is sustaining, not overselling. It means it is not letting the price to fall from this location, this area, and this area becomes the strongest support. क्योंकि दो बार ट्राई किया है इसके नीचे जाने के लिए, prices never fell down. Okay. This is one more example. The same example can be taken for double bottom. So classically, don't expect double bottom like this exactly. Only one swing. Sometimes many swings will be there. You have to visualize. All the patterns are visualization. That's all. There will not be classical patterns perfectly. Sometimes it can occur. Again, this is a double bottom. You can see this and this is a double bottom, and the target is recent swing high. So don't consider exactly till here. There will be in between resistances. So whichever is the lower, you must consider that as a target. No, Pradeep sir, no. It is a reversal pattern. W is always a reversal pattern. Again, this is a bottom, double bottom. Double bottom. It is in daily chart. And this is a double bottom. Again, this is a double bottom. Sorry, this is not a double bottom, but still you can consider this as a double river. It is not a reversal pattern, but you can consider this as a double bottom. Reversal pattern matlab price should be falling and should reverse. Can it happen at the support if price we can be see there? Sir, it will also happen at the support. It will also happen at the support. Then we call that as a triple bottom. Simple, that's all. Triple bottom. That will become a triple bottom. See, here and here, it is a double bottom. And again, one more bottom has formed. We call it as a triple bottom. Simple. The way of trading in a double bottom and triple bottom is the same. See here, there is a difference. It is a little higher than this, but still it is a double bottom, and this is a reversal pattern. See here, it is a double bottom. Later, it formed triple bottom. Sir, it is not compulsory that it will form at the support. Pradeep sir, it is not compulsory, but anything can happen, sir. We cannot say it should not form. It forms means no problem. So always a double bottom says that it is stopping the further fall, maybe because of many reasons. Maybe because of earlier support, maybe because of exhaustion of the sellers. There are the different reasons. अत्तर खान जी, आप क्या पोजिशनल लेना क्या? पोजिशनल लेने के लिए, इंट्राडे लेने के लिए कौन सी ट्रेड में? Yes, yes. We are choosing these patterns to price to go up. Again, once this swing breaks, again double. The same size, it will move upside. We need a strong breakouts like this. So someone was showing a fake breakout. Little later, I will talk about it. Intraday, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. If you want to book faster targets, go to 5 minutes. If you want moderate, go to 15 minutes. If you want to pro kind of trades, you can go to 30 minutes. Jayashree ji, moving average value, you can use at 20. Okay. I hope this is clear. Now double top. So double top is a reversal pattern. Whenever market is in a up direction, and that will occur at the top, and it creates the same level resistances, and this will be the entry for the sell. And you will be holding the trade till the target, this target. Suppose if this also breaks, then this become an M trade, inverted M. Once this breaks, then target will be the height of this from here, M type. Yes. So M type is inverted M. Sorry, M type is going to occur only at the tops. You can see already there is a high. In the same high, it has formed. There is a swing low in between, and it is forming in uptrend. Most of the time, M will form only in uptrend. Inverted W pattern is the M, same. But here it got failed. It got failed to reach this. It got failed to reach this. Again, it formed W pattern and took the prices upside. See here, it formed a W pattern and it failed this M pattern. नीरव सर आपको मिलेगा. This is also M pattern. This is a double top and also M pattern, and it has achieved the target. Always don't expect the price is going to hit this level. See, this is the misconception everybody having. See, a lot of people think the same way without logic. The logic behind this target is it is not exactly this level or it is not exactly this level. In between, if you find any strong resistance, what to do? It has to obey the resistance, right? You must take the trade target as that. Okay. Same way, whenever there is a strong resistance support here, there is a support here. Hence, it has halted here. That time you must keep a smaller stop loss. It is not forcefully price has to hit exactly the swing low. No, there is no rules like that. People who don't know trading, those who are copying the trading, they will see it is going to hit this target. No, it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory to hit this swing high in the W or double bottom. It is not mandatory to hit this swing low in M. In between, if there is any resistance, you must take the profits at that level. You must remember this. If you are get misguided, then you will be waiting for this target and price will reverse from here. Always choose this first lows as a fresh low, first high as a fresh high. You can see here, and it has hit this target again. After breaking, the same height has been achieved. You can see again double bottom and target done. After breaking above this, the price height has been achieved, the same. So this is also double bottom and this is the target. So in between there is a target, this is the target. It is not exactly target. This is the target. You must book profits here, because the price has struggled a lot here to come down. So whenever there is a struggle, that should be the target. Abhishek Gupta sir, exactly you are right. This and this, the double top and M pattern. Say you are taking trade here with using some candlestick pattern. Then your target should be this. This is a classical target, everybody says, but it is not a confirmed target. In between, there is a support. This is the confirmed target. This can be told almost 99% or more than 75%. We can tell that this support is going to achieve, but this is not much sure. Trading is a tactics like karate or kung fu. There is no exact same kind of moves always. You need to move on according to the opponent. Okay, is it clear? Double top and double bottom. Let us move to, all these are the two kinds of reversal patterns we have seen. Now let us go to triangles. Triangles are consolidation patterns. Consider consolidation patterns matlab, whenever price is moving, it will be get tired. वो tired हो जाएगा. Whenever it get tired, it will take a nap or a little bit of break. Okay, that break is going to be a pattern. So there are different types of pattern, like a channel pattern, a triangle pattern, ascending triangle pattern, descending triangle pattern, like that. Okay, so that is what we are going to study. So whenever you see any kind of these patterns, these are going to be consolidation patterns. We call them as a market pause. Pause in the market. But there is any Kamal sir, don't go to scanner for everything. Okay, some things should be believed by looking from highs. Highs are very important in analysis. First one is ascending triangle. Ascending triangle. So price will be moving and it will be get exhausted somewhere, and that is where price started to take a rest. Okay, but it will not fall. It is like sitting on a tree and sleeping. It will not fall, but it will sleep like a monkey. Okay, so ascending triangle is will be like this. All these lows will be ascending upwards. All these lows will be higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. But highs will be almost same level. Almost same level. It cannot be exact, but almost same level. It means on every fall, buyers are jumping and buying at the highs, thinking that मुझे ये अभी डिस्काउंट में नहीं मिलेगा. This is the last chance for me. A dip, thinking that इस ऐसे dip बाद में नहीं आएगा करके इधर buy करेगा. ऐसे ये भी think करेगा, ये buy करेगा. So all the buyers get added, and whenever a new buyer comes, then he will take the prices upside. So always ascending triangle is a pattern that will give continuation of the move. So whenever there is a ascending triangle, you can expect upside breakout. Okay, it will occur only in uptrend. हाँ सर, वो राहुल जी आप सही बोल रहे हैं. तो वो छोटा सा डबल बॉटम, छोटा सा स्मॉल. I already told you, you are in the trade here, but you don't know when the price goes to sideways. तो इसको बोलेंगे sideways. ऐसे चलेगा तो आप क्या करोगे? This is the sideways. This is where you got trapped. वो कब चैनल बनता है, कब ट्रायंगल बनता है, हमको पता नहीं. ओके, now if you get ascending triangle, always to anticipate upside breakout. Always anticipate upside breakout. So how to take a trade in upside breakout? First one is breakout candle trade. समझो एक कैंडल ब्रेकआउट दिए, अच्छा सा हेल्थी कैंडल above this high, then you can buy above the high of this breakout candle and keep the stop loss below the previous earlier swing low. ये नहीं है. This is the first one. This is the second one. So keep the stop loss below this. This is the first point. Okay, stop loss, see, there is no compulsory same level for everybody. Stop loss, it is up to their comfortability. Stop loss. Okay, now you can keep the stop loss below this swing low, or you can also keep the stop loss इसका ये ब्रेकआउट कैंडल का दो कैंडल का पीछे कैंडल का लो, इसका मतलब दिस इज द ब्रेकआउट कैंडल, ओके, एंड दिस इज द प्रीवियस कैंडल एंड दिस इज द वन मोर प्रीवियस कैंडल। इसका लो में रखना है स्टॉप लॉस। आपका बाइंग इधर करना है इसका ऊपर और आप स्टॉप लॉस लगाना है इधर सेकेंड कैंडल, इज ब्रेकआउट कैंडल, फर्स्ट कैंडल, सेकेंड कैंडल लो। सर एंट्री बाई करना है ये कैंडल के हाई के ऊपर, समझो एक कैंडल का हाई है 100, देन यू मस्ट बाय एट 101। Did you get the clarity in this? Then what is the target? There should be target, right? So for this target would be consolidation का पहला वाला ट्रायंगल का हाइट। ये कितना ट्रायंगल का हाइट है? Take a height of this same triangle and this will be from here. If the breakout candle is unusually big, it means sometimes the breakout candle is 3 times bigger than the all earlier green candles. इसका मतलब है that is called exhaustion candle. Don't enter the trade using that candle क्योंकि वो बहुत बड़ा है and all the buying has happened in the same candle. वो exhaust हो गए हैं। Is it clear? Second one is, so this ascending triangle anticipation is upside breakout and this is a descending triangle. Descending triangle looks like whenever the price is falling, it will form and it create lower swing highs, but a same level swing lows. It shows the rise, sell and rise happen. Lot of sellers are sitting. Okay. Now in this case, you can anticipate a downside breakdown. You need a healthy candle here, healthy red candle. Once it forms, take a sell entry below the low of the same candle. Take a sell entry below the low of the same candle. Where to keep the stop loss? So stop loss number 1, you can keep the previous 2 swings high, or you can also keep the previous 2 candles high. समझ में आया क्या? Stop losses, how to keep the stop loss, very important. कहाँ पे आप कर दिया तो stop loss हो hit हो जाएगा, then you will lose your confidence. Just a minute, I will have some sip of water. Then what is the target of this breakdown? इसका target होगा the first triangle inside this descending triangle. The height of this will be your target from this swing high. from this swing high. Sir, confluence is only for the support. Here there is no support. We don't need to take support here. हमको इधर ये breakdown को support नहीं चाहिए. Confluence can be used only at support levels and resistance levels. Okay, breakdown और breakout के लिए आपको confluence नहीं चाहिए. इकबाल सर, दोनों भी देख लेंगे. You can see this. This is ascending triangle. You can see the swing lows high, higher, 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 but highs are swing. Upside breakout. Dharmavir sir. 20 sir, 20, 20. Yes sir, yes. Kamal sir, right. So there is no ascending triangle here. But you can see so highs will not be exactly high somewhere, but here it is happening like this. It is happening like this. In last class we have discussed, right? The next day can be a bullish day or there will be expecting upside reversal. How many of you remember? मैंने आपको बाई करने के लिए बोला था, कल भी बाई सेम लेवल पे दिया था. Yes, it is still valid. It is still valid. High, high, higher high. Okay, now we need higher high like this. इसका ऊपर ब्रेक करना है, देखेंगे. What stop loss it, sir? Neeraj Rudke. Neeraj sir, don't expect a big move from there. So that will happen. Before that, lot of retail paper stop loss will hit and it will move prices upside. Neeraj sir, whenever your stop loss is hitting, it means price definitely reverse. The no-wise people don't know where to keep the stop loss. Okay, only pro traders will know to keep the stop loss. See, this was the level we will be discussing. From here, price went till here. Price went till here. Again, this was the location where traps has been formed. Traps has been formed. Again, this is where the fresh buying has come. Sir, we know the direction. Only the thing is how to manage this. This is very important. If you know to manage this, exiting, then these profits will be yours. And you know, pro traders always need this kind of stop loss hand. I like this stop loss hand. This is where my profits will be maximum. Yes, sir. Yes, it is so much upside this. And this is one more example. Ascending triangle. So once a breakout, take the height of this and measure the same from here to here. The target is done. And we also call this as a ascending triangle. We also call this as ascending triangle, but it has not given a breakout upside. Breakout nahi diya hai. Instead, it has given a breakdown. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Either yes. Okay. Now ascending triangle over. Let us see the descending triangle. You can see the descending triangle only in falling trend. कभी गिरेगा ना तभी देखेंगे आप. If anybody can find anywhere, you can tell me. Some patterns are very tough to search. So as of now, we are not getting any perfect descending triangle. I will post in the Telegram. Okay. आपको उधर पोस्ट करूंगा. Like there is one here. This one. Then prices are making lower highs and lows are almost same. Okay. And this is a descending triangle. Next one is a neutral pattern. Next one is third one is a neutral pattern. Neutral pattern. It is called symmetrical triangle. Symmetrical triangle मतलब candle is a compressing from the both the ends. इसका मतलब वो lower high भी बना रहा है और हायर लो भी बना रहा है, इसका मतलब if you join all the highs, if you join all the lows, it is compressing from both the sides. So buyers also getting attacked, the sellers are getting attacked. So in this case, this is going to be a neutral. Neutral matlab you cannot predict the move, which side it is going to happen. It can break out or it can break down. दोनों भी हो सकता है इसमें. So that's the reason we call it as a symmetrical triangle. This regular symmetrical triangle is a neutral. Okay. These kind of triangles you will get a lot. This one. This one. Yes, sir. This is a common pattern. Neutral is a common pattern. Neutral triangle is a common pattern. Lot of time you can see the same. So this can break out or break down. So wherever it gives a breakout, you must take the trade that side. Stop loss is same as I explained for the descending ascending triangles. The two candles, पीछे का two candles का low और पीछे का एक swing lows का low. It is up to your comfortability. This one. Here it is a breakdown. Here it is a breakout. Here it is a breakout. Okay. These are different types of breakouts and breakdowns using the same triangle, symmetrical triangle. What if expanding triangle? How to trade in such cases? You mean to say this is expanding triangle? इसका मतलब है the volatility expansion. You can expect a big targets in the future, but with a higher volatility. Actually, this is good to trade. It is very, very nice, very profitable. We intraday traders must need volatility. हमको चाहिए बड़ा volatility. Don't get scared for volatility. Lot of people say that अभी बहुत ज्यादा volatility है, बाद में trade करेंगे. नहीं. If there is a volatility, then only you can find the entries. So can we take 5 minutes break? How to find entry in volatile markets? इरफान सर, you are a intraday trader, मतलब आप यूज करो 5 मिनट और 15 मिनट. If you are a positional trader, then use 1 hour. When IV will increase in Bank Nifty? Sir, actually volatility has dead, sir. Now volatility has got dead. There is no volatility in the market at all. Sir, we need a breakout from here. नहीं तो हमको ट्रेड नहीं कर पाएंगे. We will not get a proper trades. बहुत narrow हो गए. So when there is no place for the moving of the price, then what is the benefit of trading? तो price place तो मिलना चाहिए ना वो move होने के लिए. Sandeep sir, yes. We will take a break. Exactly 8-5. Come back. Sandeep sir, yes. But still range bound, two types of range bound. One is a bigger range bound, one is a smaller range bound. We call this as a narrow market. That is called a wider market. Wider market is good, sir, but this narrow market is not good. Dalal sir, same, draw the trend line. You must use a trend line to take a trade in expanding triangle. Get ready, sir. Yes. Ah, sir. Srinivas sir. We will back at 8-5, taking small break. So Avjit is asking, in low volatility, how can someone trade intraday? Yes, in low volatility also we can trade intraday. Low volatility is not a big issue, but there is a range. Range should be bigger. It is the range matters. Nowadays, the index range has got reduced so much. So it reduced to 0.5%. It reduced to 0.5%. 0.5% movement is nothing in Bank Nifty. Yes, you can do scalping at that time. Ashok Nayak says, why could we not predict next move with respect to candlestick pattern? when there when there is a overlapping candles, you cannot predict anything. Avjit, see, sir, you come to the chart. You are typing in क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर में टाइप कर रहे हैं आप वो चार्ट में आ जाओ. सर स्कैल्पिंग मतलब taking a trade for a smaller profits, like a smaller time frame. समझो आपका एंट्री हो गए, मे बी इन 1 or 2 minutes you are booking your profits, trading faster. You are not waiting for a bigger targets or big movements. So within 1 minute or 2 minute, whatever you are getting, booking that profits, उसको बोलेंगे scalping. Fast profits. So whether exit or in profit booking or exit, both will be very fast. Let me show you one example. This is a trade, short trade, and this is a profit booking. So we are not waiting for a bigger target like 100 point, 150 points. No. Okay. So entering and taking profits without waiting. तो क्या प्रॉफिट आ गए हैं उसको लेना, छोड़ना नहीं. And this is one more pattern, taking entry here, booking profits. So this is one more pattern, taking entry here and booking profits. That's all. Most of the time, I will tell you one secret, whatever the trade you take in any time frame, you must book profits within 3 times of it. Within 3 times of it. समझो आप ले लिया है 1 मिनट में, 3 मिनट्स के अंदर वो आप प्रॉफिट बुक करना ही करना है. If not, that is going to be a sideways or it takes lot of time to move upside or downside. आपका फेवर में ये 3 टाइम्स टाइम फ्रेम में टारगेट हिट होना ही होना है. Next, let us move to moving averages. Moving averages. So moving averages are a dynamic supports and resistance. These moving averages are dynamic supports and resistance. This will act as a dynamic support and resistance because this will be automatically keep plotting on the chart based on the price movement. Okay, and this will act as a support and resistance. Earlier we have one way, that is a horizontal support and resistance. We have one more way, that is a trend line support and resistance. Now we have another way, that is a moving average. This will work as a support and resistance. I think Iqbal sir was asking for the confluences. So if you get all of these at one place, that will become the confluence. मतलब समझो ये हॉरिजॉन्टल सपोर्ट है, ये ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट है, और इधर पे एक मूविंग एवरेज आ गए हैं, तो आपको इधर से ट्रेड मिला, एनगल्फ मिला, तो ये बढ़िया ट्रेड रहेगा बिकॉज दिस 3 ways you are getting a support here. No, which are the moving averages we are going to use regularly? Regularly, we are going to use a 20 moving average, 50, 100, 200. So we don't need 200 when market is in trending. So एक बार ट्रेंडिंग में चले गए तो 200 के ऊपर या नीचे, we don't need this. Regularly we are not using this 200, but regularly we are going to use this 20 and 50. So there some people use EMA, some people use simple moving average, SMA. Okay, so I normally use SMA. I use SMA. So there are two types of combinations. One is 100 and 200, and one more is 20 and 50. 20 and 50. And this is for the short term trading. This is for investment. This is for long term trading. This is for short term trading. अभी थोड़ा शॉर्ट टर्म स्विंग ट्रेडिंग चाहिए, इसका कम करना है, इसको कम करना है. Like so whenever you decrease the moving average value, the length also decreases, the term also decreases. समझो, if you want to take a swing trade, if 20 moving average is crossing with the 50 and going up, and prices are comfortably trading above this crossover, इसका मतलब short term like a 3 months, this stock is going to be bullish. समझो a 50 को 20 ऊपर से नीचे क्रॉस हो गए, this 20 and this is 20, 50, 50. So temporarily for 3-4 months the stock turned bearish. Whenever it is comfortable trading below or above, you can take trade. You can take trade, buy at CMP, sell at CMP. Where will be the stop loss? Stop loss will be above this 50. For buying, stop loss will be below this 50. This will be on the basis of closing. It is a closing basis stop loss. Always moving averages trade is closing basis stop loss. It will not be hit and run stop loss. Sir, in a range bound sideways, can price make uptrend or downtrend? Iqbal sir, range bound matlab it is moving in a range, that's all. वो ऊपर नीचे नहीं जाएगा ना, वो घूमते रहेगा उधर इधर. And you can see yes sir, Soumya sir, yes. The red one is higher, and this one is 20 and red one is 50. When there is a crossover and the price is trading below this comfortably, then this will be selected for selling purpose, or it will fall Temporarily, it is an intermediate or short-term downfall. Whenever the price is trading comfortably above, say this one, so price is comfortably up trade. समझो इधर पे क्रॉस ओवर होगा हो गए और प्राइस इज नॉट एबल टू ट्रेड एंड इट इज मूविंग ऑन द मूविंग एवरेज, ये होगा साइडवेज, ये होगा साइडवेज, तो दिस इज साइडवेज. Most of the time we use moving averages with some kind of other analysis, like use the trend lines, use horizontal lines. With that, if you use, this will be more beneficial. This is the crossover happened and comfortably trading after that, and this is the result. Crossover happened, comfortably trading above that, it is a result. And again, see this, this is the comfortable trading above this, and this is the result. Now, one more thing, on which time frame it is going to be useful, that is very important. Everybody can use the moving averages and trade, but on which time frame? The most of the time this combination 20 and 50 is going to work in daily, not in lower time frame. Because 20 is monthly trend and 50 is quarterly trend. 3 मंथ का ट्रेंड है वो, ये 1 मंथ का है. समझो 1 मंथ का ट्रेंड 3 मंथ का भी ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है, सो इसका मतलब इट हैज अ क्रॉसओवर अबव दिस. दिस इज द क्रॉसओवर हैपेंड. 20 के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है, इसका मतलब 20 इज ट्रेडिंग अबव 50 डेज का एवरेज के ऊपर. Is there any question on this? So one more combination is a good combination. This is only for positional. Whatever we have right now discussed, this is only for positional. And one more good combination is 100 and 200. You can use this for investment purpose. Investment purpose. Venkata sir, yes. So for always intraday use, that has been explained in the video, right? 13 and 26. 13 and 26, you can use this for the intraday. And the time frames to use minimum, it is option purpose. Yes, sir, you can use this, Mahesh sir. Two hundred helps to identify the long-term view of the stock, whether it is a bullish or bearish. But moving average 100 will help you to identify the medium-term view of the stock. Okay. 50 will help you identify the near-term view of the stock. Ah, sir, Gautam sir, you can use that for intraday. Okay, and we are going to discuss two more strong patterns Those are very important. What is 13 and 20 MA? Moving average, sir. Haider, sir. It is a moving average, simple moving average. Dinesh, right, good. You can use 10, you can use 10 and 20, also 13 and 26. 13 and 26 for a crossover, you can use this for intraday. And 10 and 20, you can use this for a trade, to be in the trade. समझो आप trade में है, and this is the 10 and this is the 20. It should be like this. Price 10 should be above 20 and the price should be above 10. समझो ये प्राइस नीचे आ गए 20 के नीचे क्लोज हो गए, so you must exit here your trade. Until it is above 20, you can hold your trade when there is a trend. But in this 1326, this can be used to enter the trade. समझो आप भी ये कंफर्टेबली क्रॉसओवर के ऊपर ट्रेड कर रहा है और क्रॉसओवर के नीचे ट्रेड कर रहा है, then this is for the short or this is for the buying. Is it clear? You can use this for the entry and this you can use this for to be in the trade. Trade में रहने के लिए. So everyone thinks very different, like the same to take the entry, same to be in the entry. No. दिखाएंगे अनिल जी, दिखाएंगे. Same, you can use this. See, this is the 13. This is the 13 and this is the 26. Okay. So let us start from here. See, the price was trading comfortably above this, and when crossover happens and try to trade comfortably here, so it has created a swing low, right? You can either enter below this swing low for the short, okay, or you can take entry on this candle itself. Your stop loss, आपका stop loss रहेगा इसके ऊपर. Whenever first there is a trend change, your stop loss will be swing high or swing low, and then you will be trailing your stop loss, so that समझो आप इधर sell ले लिए, so you are holding the trade. How can you hold the trade? You can hold the trade when there is a 10, 20 and 10 का moving average है ना, समझो price आके इसका ऊपर closing देगा, then you must exit. This is only for entry. Intraday 15 मिनट 5 मिनट. Okay, then this is the result. समझो एक क्रॉसओवर हो गई और इधर पे कंफर्टेबल ट्रेड कर रहा है. Now you took trade here, then what to do? What to do? The recent swing low is going to be your stop loss. Recent swing low is going to be your stop loss. Again, this crossover happened. You shorted here, somewhere here, and this is the fall, and this is the fall. Where to exit? You must put that 10-20, and you need to exit when price crosses about 20 and here. But one more thing, very important. So in this way, when we are trading, we ourselves keep a specific target. We will keep a specific target. So it is not a trend following strategy. It is not a trend following strategy. Trend following strategy क्या होगा? So we will take a trade based on some moving average or something, and until the price is above this moving average, we will be holding the trade. And whenever the price is closing below this moving average, we are exiting. But we are not doing like this here. In 26 and 13, you use this to take the entries and keep yourself targets. Keep yourself targets. Alok sir, this is different. You can combine that CPR. CPR can be combined to anything to understand the trend. Target following strategy. So my advice is always look for any pattern. Once this crossover happens, look for any pattern to take trade. इसका मतलब क्रॉसओवर हो गए, प्राइस ऊपर चले गए, then wait for any kind of pattern. Any pattern. This will be comfortable so that आपका stop loss छोटा हो जाएगा, and you will have a proper target based on the patterns. Okay, so let us move to the strongest reversal patterns. And we also use these patterns to select stocks. Stock selection के लिए ये same patterns use करेंगे. Okay. So first one is head and shoulder. So lot of you know this head and shoulder always, but the only thing is you don't know in the proper way. Head and shoulder matlab this will occur only in uptrend. So downtrend में भी मिलेगा वो. So this is very comfortable to trade in uptrend. So price is moving upside, and this is where it will going to fall. And this will be going to the reversal trend. समझो ये नीचे गिरते हुआ ट्रेंड में आपको ऐसे मिल गए. So this is not going to be a trend reversal pattern. This will happen when it forms at the top of the uptrend. Okay. So why we call this as a head and shoulder? This is a head, and this is a shoulder, and this is a shoulder. It looks like head and shoulder, hence we call it as a head and shoulder. Okay. It is a pattern which turns a bullish market to bearish market. Okay. And let us see that how it looks like. And this will be like this uptrend, and at the end of the trend, it will happen like this. So this is the swing high, but this is the lowest swing of the recent high. Okay, next it will break the recent swing low. Once it breaks the recent swing low, what you need to do is दोनों को extend करो, trend line draw करके extend करो, and this will become the head and shoulder. Now where is your entry? This is the breakdown entry. And where is your stop loss? Stop loss is going to be the recent shoulder high. This is going to be the selling trade. Head and shoulder में आपका trade मिलेगा selling करने के लिए. So where to sell? On the breakdown of this trend line. This is an aggressive sell. So what is the safest sell? Wait for the retest. This is the retest. It can retest here, or it can go till here, and then it can fall. This is the safest entry, and keep the stop loss here. So what is the target? target is a height of this. Always take from the highest high of this to the recent swing low. This is the height. This is the height. So take this height and measure this from the recent swing high. This will be the target. Don't measure this from here. Lot of YouTubers and extra successful coaches will teach the same. वो बोलेगा उसका टारगेट इधर से बोलेगा. नो, उधर से उधर तक वेट किया तो आपका second shoulder top. Yes, Haidar sir. Yes, the same thing I am telling you. Declined. Pradeep sir, good question. Don't take this entry. Take entry only this kind of inclined trend line को. Declining trend line को नहीं लेना है. Because there is a proper reason behind forming this head and shoulder. Simply it will not form. It takes lot of time to form. Obviously, this head and shoulder will be looking in higher time frame, weekly and monthly. But nowadays we are turning to look at all those patterns in the smaller time frame also. Okay. Now have you understood how to trade head and shoulder? This is where you must take the entry, keep this stop loss, and from here to here is the height. Take the height of this and measure the same thing from here. This is the target. Okay. Let us move to that. Don't expect classical patterns. Already said. Now, where to draw the trend line from here to here and extend it? We call this as a neckline. We call it as a neckline. आपका target रहेगा ये height. So let us take that. And this is keep this from here. इधर से रखो, recent swing high से रखो and ये होगा target. Lot of people what they do is they start from here. They start from here. No, it is not right. इधर तो टारगेट अचीव हो गए, इसका मतलब ये है ये आप इधर से काउंट करना. No, you have to count from here. Yes sir, every time frame you can watch the same. Every time frame. Earlier we will be looking this in higher time frame. Now we are ready to look at every time frame. देखो, shoulder, head, shoulder. You can see the breakdown did not happen here. Breakdown did not happen. You can also count this as a head and shoulder. And this is a very less powerful क्योंकि इसका पहले price ऐसे आना चाहिए. It should be at the top. Now it is not at the top. It is after this move. So it is not powerful. So take only powerful ones. Okay, the same opposite to the same is a inverted head and shoulder. Inverted head and shoulder मतलब this is going to occur when is a falling trend. A falling trend में आपको मिलेगा और it is the opposite of that. The same shoulder 1, shoulder 2 and head. Once it gives a breakout, you can take a breakout trade or you can take a retest trade. So once you take a trade here, your stop loss will be here. It is a buying trade and your target will be height of this. कहाँ से? इधर से. Are you able to find out this? And this is where your entry, or you can take entry here and target will be height of this. कितना gap है इधर? 43,900 and 44,230. इसका मतलब 300 points, 330 points and 330 points from here again. So 44, 330 points. Where is that? This is the target. This is the target. Your entry will be here. Entry will be here. Your target will be this one. Entry will be here. Your target will be this one. Attar sir, you are right. Instead of using different strategies, 10 strategies, why 10 strategies? इसका मतलब ये है every strategy is different and every strategy is going to fit for a different person. One strategy will not see, somebody likes different strategy, you like some different strategy. If you like any strategy and that is fit for your mindset, you can stick to that strategy and you can keep trading. Don't need a lot of strategies, sir, you are right, but whichever suits you, whichever fits your mind, you can select that only. Sir, confusing nahi hai. See, why to give lot of strategies? Because whichever is whichever you feel a good one, you just pick that and just follow the only one strategy. Simple. It is not a force that you must follow all those strategies. See, people don't know what to do with the strategy. The real thing is why you are getting more strategy. Pick up the suitable strategy for you. Neeraj says exactly right. Like every batsman has his own favorite shot. Every strategy will not suit everyone, sir. मैं ज्यादा स्ट्रेटजी देता हूं मतलब आप सारे स्ट्रेटजी को ट्रेड कर सकते हैं ऐसे नहीं. Some strategy will fit your mind and that will work for you. That is the reason. This is the entry and target is done. Try to visualize this. Which strategy do you use to give this? Shubhakar sir, it is not like that. Okay, when you become expert, you don't need any strategy. By just looking at the price, you can create some strategy. Strategy will be needed only for the people who don't have any idea about the market. If you can understand, you will get lot of clue in this. If you don't have, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, I have said in the previous webinar also, I said market is going to reverse from here. मैं बोला था आपको, ओके, इधर से रिवर्स होना है। एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक दैट स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गए, तो इसका पहला तो चला है एंड अगेन इट इज मूविंग। आई नो हाउ टू मेक प्रॉफिट्स हियर, I don't have any disturbances from this. This disturbance only for the novice traders. Okay. Once you become master, you don't need a strategy. You can just understand by looking at the price action. A price action clearly बोलेगा आपको ये ट्रैप हो गए हैं, अभी ऊपर मूव करेगा। मॉर्निंग स्टार नहीं है सर, दिस इज नॉट ए मॉर्निंग स्टार, इट इज नॉट ए मॉर्निंग स्टार, इट इज जस्ट ए रिवर्सल पैटर्न। समझो एक कैंडल दोनों एक कैंडल है, ग्रीन कैंडल और ये रेड कैंडल है, इसका मतलब दिस टू कैंडल मिला के ये रेड कैंडल के ऊपर क्लोज हो गए, इसका मतलब एनगल्फिंग हो गए, एनगल्फिंग हो गया ऐसे। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज ए बिग कैंडल, आई एम बाइंग 50% हियर एंड मार्किंग द half of this candle and buying 50% here, and this comes true here. You can see this is the first entry, the 50%, this is the second entry, तो दो एंट्री हो गए एंड दो एंट्री का टारगेट हो गए हियर। हाँ कमल जी, यस यस गौतम सर, यस। So any doubts? What will be the advantages of two entry? Advantage, there is a definitely advantage because of a big candle, because of a big candle, if you buy 100% quantity, आपका स्टॉप लॉस बढ़ जाएगा, आपका स्टॉप लॉस बढ़ जाएगा, देयर विल बी अ बिगर स्टॉप लॉस, राइट, बिकॉज ऑफ द बिग कैंडल। तो टोटल कैंडल हुआ तो हमारा स्टॉप लॉस होगा छोटा। नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ द बिग कैंडल वी आर रिड्यूसिंग द क्वांटिटी सो दैट हमारा स्टॉप लॉस कम होगा। समझो 100 बाई किया है और इसका हाइट है 10, इसका मतलब हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हो गए 1000 रुपीज। Now if you buy only 50 here, no 50 into 10, your stop loss हो गए 500 rupees। समझो again price is coming down at the 50%, you are buying one more 50, इधर तक 5 rupees गया, 5 into 50 250। देखो आपका स्टॉप लॉस, बड़ा स्टॉप लॉस का भी छोटा हो गया स्टॉप लॉस, और इधर से निकला तो आपका बढ़िया प्रॉफिट्स होगा, बिग प्रॉफिट्स। If market comfortably able to trade above फ्यूचर्स में 44,400 के ऊपर ट्रेड करना शुरू हो गए तो मार्केट ऊपर जाएगा। PGHH, Procter & Gamble, yes it is created sir, it is created, this one, draw this trend line and extend it, and this is where this is giving a confirmation, and you have very good opportunity short here, स्टॉप लॉस के नियर बाय है एंड आपका टारगेट इजीली हो जाएगा और बड़ा हो गया। हाँ कमल जी, राइट। Nothing, sir. For tomorrow also buy in dips until breaking the low and comfortably closing below the 20 moving average. आप बोल रहे हैं yes, this is right, but it is not strong. This is right. This is right, but not strong. क्योंकि हमको गिरते वाला स्टॉक में देखना है इन्वर्टेड हेड एंड शोल्डर. This is not falling. This is a sideways. Okay, sideways will not have enough strength. See, if you want to do analysis and Procter and Gamble, this kind of stock, please go to weekly time frame. Don't do analysis in daily. It is better if you go to weekly and monthly time frame. ये क्या होगा ना? This stock is low volatile stock and low liquidity stock. When there is a low volatility, low liquidity, candles will not form properly. Candles will not form properly. Anil sir, yes. Which app use? Venkatesan sir. Which is your broker? Who is your broker? For in your broker, open this charting. If you don't have any broker, please open the account with this Fires. Fires, FYERS. It is very easy. Sir, goodwill में नहीं है. There is Venkat sir. There is no this kind of chart in goodwill. Goodwill is good to trade. Both liquidity है उसमें, but chart is not there like this. Good chart is only in Fires. Shamir sir, don't look at low brokerage. Always look at moderate brokerage. Moderate. Low brokerage वाला आपको help नहीं करेगा. Whenever problem occurs, they will not support. Fires one is good. Angel one also chart is not good. Sir, wherever you get the chart with the trading view platform, आप उसमें account बना लो. Samco is good. Alice Blue is a decent. Grow is also good. Sagar sir. Zerodha also. Sir, in Zerodha, go to trading view chart platform. There are two types of charts provided in Zerodha. In that, go to trading view platform. Zerodha is not hassle free, sir. Lot of hassles are there in out of the money options. Sharekhan is ultimate, sir. Sharekhan is always ultimate. Dan also good, Ravi sir. Dan is also good. Same platform in the Dan. Thank you, Sandeep sir. लिमिट ऑर्डर वो प्रॉब्लम है उसमें. एम स्टॉक सर, एम स्टॉक आई डोंट नो. फायर्स आर गुड. फायर्स हमको गुड. सर IIFL इज गुड फॉर ट्रेडिंग. वो मुझे चार्ट कैसे है पता नहीं. Dalal sir, you want to do analysis on Nifty, Bank Nifty? This is what I said. It has formed a good Merubozu. Okay, at support. Now it can move towards upside because the price falling is very narrower. It shows the less strength in selling. So again, we are expecting up move, and we are going to decide once this range breaks. Once this range breaks. So अभी तो वोलेटिलिटी मर गए हैं सर, नीचे का वीकने है. दिस ओपन इक्वल्स लो. Sir, then also you can go and search the same CPR, central pivot range or CPR. You will get it. And again you search moving average, you will get it. थोड़ा आप YouTube में देखो, आपको मिल जाएगा. You go to then YouTube and वो YouTube में आपको सर्च करो how to add the indicators, मिल जाएगा. Okay, and let us meet in next session. Till that, happy trading. Thank you so much for your time. This is Bank Nifty and आपको निफ्टी चाहिए क्या? So Nifty is stronger. Nifty is stronger. And Nifty, see what is there in the Nifty. Nifty is showing very stronger. So tomorrow again, tomorrow if the price able to trade comfortably, it takes price upside. सर इसका ऊपर तो हमको बढ़िया कैंडल मिलना चाहिए ऐसा. We need this kind of candle above this. You cannot trade like these locations. There is a trade tomorrow, but there is no sky. There is no open sky. Ravi sir, you just open and keep ATM options, ATM call and ATM put. Okay, you just execute according to the level. समझो a buy आ गई, you got a buy at 18,800. So whenever futures comes to this location, buy the call option, whatever the price it is. Okay, when it hits the target, same time book the profits in this call option. Simple. This is a result oriented trade, sir. कस्टमर सपोर्ट को कांटेक्ट करो, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा. ATM सर, गिरी रेड्डी सर, ATM at the money, at the money. And thank you so much. Good night.